You know how to calculate own fund. Only calculate depreciation, PV factor, you are done with that. On 4 lakh, calculate depreciation. First year, how much you are supposed to calculate? 15%. They have not mentioned additional depreciation in this, so you are not supposed to consider. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing your session 3, unit 4 of your corporate tax planning. Under this, we are discussing the managerial decisions. Now, in the previous session, we learned own fund, borrowed fund. Along with, we also learned your own fund and lease fund. And today's session, the same thing, own and lease fund will continue. So it is the easiest part. In the last problem, you almost understood, and the better understanding will happen in today's session. Why? Because the repetitions will happen today. Yes, we'll go for 2 problems we are doing today. We'll go for first problem of the day. Your agenda: problems on purchase of asset by own fund, borrowed fund, along with lease fund also. Along with lease fund also. Now, problem number 5. In this, cost of the asset under consideration, 4 lakh. What is the value of the asset? 4 lakh. The life of the asset is 5 years. With the residual value is 30. What is the residual value? Scrap value at the end. Now, rate of depreciation 15% per annum, depreciation 20%. As you know that first year always we have double depreciation. Effective marginal rate of tax is 26%. PV factor, last problem we done for 10%. This problem we are doing PV factor for 12%. Now, assessee has 2 alternatives. What is the first one? Purchase of asset out of his own fund. You know that easy procedure. To take the asset on lease by paying lease rental. What is the second option? Taking lease. How do you take? Like 1 lakh per annum is your lease amount. Now, payable at the end of every year of lease. These are the information. These are the PV factor you have. Now, you know how to calculate own fund. Only calculate depreciation, PV factor, you are done with that. Now, your own fund are invested. How much you are investing? 4 lakh. Now, your investment cash outflow is 4 lakh. Now, on 4 lakh, calculate depreciation. First year, how much you are supposed to calculate? 15% plus 20%. Total, it is 35%. 15 plus 20, it will be how much? 35. Calculate 4 lakh into 35%. 4 lakh multiplied with 35%. I got 1,40,000. See, I got 1,40,000, but we'll see what is the depreciation. 15% plus additional 20%. I'll calculate. So I got 1,40,000. So we'll make it as 1,40,000. How did you get 1,40,000? Simple. You calculated 4 lakh multiplied with 35%. Hope you are clear. Yes. So you got 1,40,000. 4 lakh minus 1,40,000. How much? 2,60,000. On 2,60,000 multiply 15%. You will get this answer. Similarly, 2,60,000 minus 39. You will get 2,21,000. So from this you minus 33, you will get 1,87,000. From this you minus 28, you will get 1,59,000. 1,59,000 you minus 23, you will get how much? I'll write 159,672 minus 23,951. I got 1,35,721. Hope you are clear. Now, so up to this we are completed. Now, what is the next procedure? Depreciation, your present value, and tax saving. Now, 1,40,000, yes. 26%, yes. PV factor 0.893. Multiply. So you will get 32,505. Similarly, what is your value? Your value is 39,000. Tax 26%. 0.797. You will get 8,082. Similarly, calculate. You will get your answer. Now total this. These are your tax saving. Now, if you calculate total 32,505 plus 8082 plus 6137 plus 4660 plus 3531. So you got 54,915. 54,915. Hope you got it. How much you got? 54,915 is your answer. Now you got this answer 54,915. Now, so you're done up to this. What is your answer next? This minus this is your answer. If there is any scrap minus, you will get your final answer. Now, see your actual value 4 lakh. And what is the savings here? 54,915 minus 54,915. You got 3,45,085. What is the scrap value? I'll go back. Your scrap value is 30,000. So 30,000 into PV factor for the 5th year. 0.567. PV factor for the 5th year 0.567. Then 0.567, you will get 17,010. What is the one more? You have to consider WDV value. What is your WDV? 1,35,000. This minus this, you will get 1,35,721. So it must be how much? 1,35,731 minus 30,000 multiplied with 26% multiplied with 0.567. You will get your answer of 15,585. 15,585. Same what we did in the previous problem, exactly same we are doing here. So this is done. Total of these two 32. So 3,45,000 minus this one, you get 3,12,490. This is all about your own fund. So this shall come later. This shall come later because this belongs to lease fund. This belongs to what? Lease fund. I'll come back to this. Now, under lease fund, what will happen under lease fund? Now, under lease fund, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the lease amount? 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Now, how much you are paying? Do you calculate depreciation for lease? No, because this is not belongs to you. Now, so on this 1 lakh multiplied with your PV factor 89,000, 79,000, 71, 63, 56, 700. Now we'll take a total of this 89,300 plus 79,700, 71,200, 63,600, 56,700. I got 3,60,500. What is your total? 3,60,500. Similarly, calculate this also. In this, what happens? Your tax rate, this is already calculated. Don't calculate again. This is done. Now, your this into this, you will get your answer. 23, 20,000, 18,000, 16, 54. Last year is more. Why? Because you are paying your value also. So after calculating this, you got these answer. We'll go to the last one. What is the last one? Last one is what? 56,700. So 56,700, you have to multiply with what? 56,700 with your tax rate. Like 56,700 multiplied with 26%. I got 14,742. So we'll make it as 14,742. You got it? Yes. Now, so if you add all this, how much you will get? I'll calculate this also once again. 1 lakh multiplied with 0.893, I got 89,300, correct? And 1 lakh 797, yes, 712, correct? 636, correct? 567, correct? Yes. What is the total of this? I'll cross check once. 300 plus 79,700 plus 71,200 plus 63,600, yes, 56,700, yes. I got 3,60,500. And what is the total of this? The total of this is 23,218 plus 20,723 plus 18,512 plus 16,536 plus 14,742. I got 93,731. Hope you got it. The same procedure what we did in the previous one, same thing we are doing now. 3,60,500. I'll take it here. So instead of this, I'll take 3,60,500 and 93,731. So it is same 93,730. I'll take it 30 only. So what is your answer? We don't calculate depreciation. We don't calculate scrap. Why? Because the asset is not belongs to the company. So 3,60,500 minus 93,730. I got 2,66,770. Now, so what is your answer? I got 2,66,770. I'll write it here. 2,66,770. Which is better? 3,12,000 or 2,66,000? This is better because less. We have 3,12,000 here. This must be accepted. This must be rejected. Hope you got it. Yes, compared to your previous one, this you understood better because you know the concept. Now, I'll go to the next one. Later you can take screenshots. Now, assuming Bell Company Limited having sufficient cash reserve to buy a machine costing rupees 3 lakh. Seeks your advice to decide whether the company should buy the asset or getting on lease from tax planning point of view. Suggest a suitable plan from the following information. Rate of depreciation 15% and accepted 10 years effective rate. Tax rate is 26%. Now, the company internal rate of return 16%. Hence, PV factor is 16. Last problem was 12. Previous one it was 10. Now we are doing 16%. Lease rent is how much? 1,20,000 for the first 4 years. 1,20,000, 1,20,000, 1,20,000, 1,20,000 for first 4 years and 1,25,000 for next 3 years. 125, 125, 125, 5, 6, 7 and 1,40,000 in the remaining, like first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The lease amount is changing. First 4 years, it will be 1,20,000. After that, it will become 1,25,000, 1,25,000, 1,25,000. After this, it has become 1,40,000, 1,40,000, 1,40,000. So these are the calculation what we have in this. Now, so we're done with this. Next, your PV factors also given, that is for 16%. Now, first one, calculation of PV on net cash flow. In this, what are the options you have? Assuming Bell Company having sufficient cash reserve to buy machine cost. One is own fund, first one, 3 lakh. Your advice to decide whether the company should buy its asset to get on lease. So, you should go for own fund or you should go for lease fund, which is better. Now, so what is the cash outflow here? Now, your cash written down, it is nothing but we'll calculate depreciation. They have not mentioned additional depreciation in this, so you're not supposed to consider. Now, see, what is your value? We are doing own fund. Your value is how much? 3 lakh. So this is nothing but own fund. How many years you are doing? You are doing for 10 years. Now, 3 lakh on that 15%. So it is nothing but 15%. 15%. 3 lakh into 15%, 45. 3 lakh minus 45, how much? I'll show you. 3 lakh minus 45,000. Similarly, calculate for all 10 years your depreciation. 32, 27, 23, 19,000, 16, 14, 12 and 10. Last also you are supposed to minus because we need at the end. So 69,484 minus 10,423. I got 59,061. 59,061. This is for last calculation. Remember this. And we're done with this. Then 0.8262, all these your PV factors. All these are done. Your PV is what? You're multiplied with your tax and your PV. So your 45,000 into 26% into your PV factor. Your 38 into 26 into PV. So if you do this, you will get your total. What is the total? I'll calculate. So it will be 10,085 7389 5419 3966 2907 2128 1562 1144 838 615. I got 3653. 36053. These are your answer, your tax saving. What you are supposed to do? 59,061 minus 3653 you are supposed to do. Now, so see, this will be your investment is 3 lakh. From that you are supposed to minus 3653. You get 2,63,947. Do you have any scrap value in this? No. If there is no scrap value, the WDV and all is not required. So we have done calculation, but no scrap value or no residual value. So we can stop your problem here only, your own fund. What about your borrowed lease fund? Every year you are paying lease. Yes, these are your lease. After that, lease multiplied with PV factor. Yes. After that, multiply with your tax. This is not required because already calculated. Then what? Your tax. This multiplied with this, you will get 26, 23. These are your answers. So now I'll take the total of this. Total of your this one and total of this one. 103 440 plus 89,160 76,920 66,240 59,500 51,250 44,250 42,700 36,820 31,780. I got around 6,02,060. Similarly, if you go for this 26,894 23,182 19,399 17,222 15,470 13,325 11,505 11,102 9,573 8263. So 156, 535. You got it? Yes. Now you got 6 lakh. Now you got 1,56,000. We'll go for the answer. 6,02,000. Yes. How much we got? Exactly same value we got. And 1,56,537. 1,56,535. 2 rupees. So your answer is how much? 4,45,525. Now 4,45,525, 2,63,944, which is less. This one is less. Accepted, rejected. Hope you got it. Easiest one. Hope you understood. Now, so I'll go back to all the slides so that you can take screenshot. So this is your problem number 5. Your solution. Your solution. Solution part. Solution. Problem 6. Solution, 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 your solution part. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is lease fund as well as borrowed fund. Thank you.